Dear students, welcome to computer class for grade 7. This is lecture number 2 in week 8. We are in chapter number 2, Charts in Excel 2013. Dear students, in our last class, we had learned how to create charts. Charts help you visualize your data in a way that creates maximum impact on your audience. To create a chart following these steps. First, enter data in a worksheet, and then select the range A1, C5. Second, click the Insert tab. In the Charts group, click the column drop-down menu arrow. Third, click the clustered column in the drop-down list. It is the first from the left in the 2D column section. Finally, Excel graphs the data in a 2D column chart and places the chart in a box in the center of the worksheet.
We have already learned about chart elements in previous classes. In today's class, we will learn how to apply different chart elements practically in Microsoft Excel 2013. First, we will see how to apply chart title, then axis title, legend, data labels, and then data tables. Throughout this class, we will use this table to implement different elements of charts. Throughout this class, we will use this table to implement different elements of charts. You already know how to create a chart. After creating a chart, make sure the chart is selected by clicking on it. Then under Chart Tools, click the Design tab. Notice the first group, the chart layouts. Click on it, and it will show you all available chart elements. Move cursor over Chart Title. Chart title options are None, Above Chart, and Centered Overlay. You can even change the chart title. To edit the chart title, double-click the placeholder and type the text. Axis title allows you to add titles along the x-axis and the y-axis. To add an x-axis title, click the axis title, primary horizontal. The x-axis title text box will appear. Double-click on it and change the title name of the candidate. To add a y-axis title, click Axis Title, Primary Vertical. The y-axis title box will appear. Double-click on it and change the title to Marks. Legend displays a drop-down list with many options. You can hide the legend by clicking None. Click Legend, Left. The legend will be placed to the left of the chart. Data labels display the value of each column on the chart. Click Data Labels and choose the label location. The data label can at center, inside end, inside base, inside end. The Data Table option adds a table with the data to the chart. Click the Data Table, with legend keys. That's it for today's class. See you in the next class. Take care. Have a nice day.